I'm upset. Well, first, good morning. My camera fell. Now the back of it won't close that well. Great way to start off the morning. I guess it's my fault for not propping it up correctly. But whatever. At least it still works. It just doesn't close that well. I have pimple patches. That one looks really gross. Welcome to my typical Saturday morning routine. It's not even really a routine. It's literally just me going like super quickly through all my stuff. It's right now 9:13. Let's get ready.
This next part of the video is in collaboration with Duvolle. They were kind enough to send me their Radiance Spin Care System. The Spin Care System comes with 4 different brushes. 2 are for your face, so one is an exfoliant brush, the other one is a cleansing brush. Currently, right now, I'm using the exfoliant brush to get all the dead skin cells off my face, and it feels very nice. I feel like my face is truly getting cleansed using the brush. It also has a bigger brush for your body, so you can use it wherever you want, on your arms, on your legs, and it has a pumice stone to get rid of the dead skin cells on your feet. So definitely check them out. I have a discount code. If you click the link in my bio and use the code DannyMO, you'll get 70% off your first purchase. I'm not gonna lie, my skin feels really good after using that brush. Before I put on any lotion, I'm gonna put some pimple patches on the open areas so that the patch can take out all the nasty stuff in the zit. So put one here. Perfect. My favorite face lotion is by Ole Hendrickson. It's the Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. It's for dry skin, which I definitely do have dry skin. I've been using it throughout my whole acne journey, and I definitely feel like it's made a difference. Putting this on right now so my face can dry, and then I can put on some sunscreen after. Wow, my skin feels so smooth with that brush. Time to choose an outfit. The weather, it's a little bit cold today. It's, well, cold. It's like 64-ish. So I'm assuming jeans, tank top, jacket. We'll see. Let's go get changed. So I'm not an expert at curly hair, but I learned that the wetter your hair is when you apply your product, the better. So I'm gonna brush my hair and then re-wet it. It sounds excessive, but I have found my hair dries a lot better and it feels more hydrated. So it feels pretty wet. It's not, I guess it's dripping, yeah. I don't know, curly hair is so difficult. Basically the rest of my curly hair routine hasn't changed that much, but I'm still using the Cantu. I'm debating potentially switching, but I don't know. You know how I apply this. I've done it in so many of my videos, so we'll speed through this process and then continue getting ready. Look at how wet that is. Okay, this might be odd, but I've switched my deodorant. So I'm using this Vital Green Crystal Deodorant Potassium Alum. It's basically just like this crystal. It's not wet or anything, like nothing is coming off on my finger. So the way you put it on is you have to wet your armpit and then put it on for about 60 seconds, it says. And I've been using this.
And I feel like it's made a huge difference. One, it doesn't smell like anything. And two, it doesn't make me sweat as much. I don't know if that makes sense. I sweat so easily if I'm just kind of standing there in the sun, in the heat. But with this, I don't sweat that easily if I'm not doing anything. So I found that this has helped a lot. And I tried using my old deodorant. I was using Old Spice Aqua Wreath. And I really like that one. It's a men's deodorant. It smells so good. But I don't know. I feel like something is wrong with my body. I've been sweating so much more than normal. So I switched to this and I've noticed a difference. I'll link it down below if I can find it, but it works. I use these two mascaras, and a little hack before I apply mascara is I warm these up. So while I'm curling my eyelashes with my spoon, I hold these two in between my legs while I'm sitting, or I'll put it under my armpit. It doesn't matter, as long as these just feel warm after you're done curling your eyelashes. It'll help warm up the mascara and make it smoother. While I'm getting ready, I'm going to watch some YouTube on my iPad because I haven't really been watching videos lately. I'm going to watch Michelle Toy. She does really aesthetic vlogs, so I'm going to watch her. Cause you a bad money, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad, I've been sticking. Okay, sunscreen time. I'm using the Supergoop Glow Screen. I was originally using the matte sunscreen by them, and it's good. I like both. They just didn't have the matte, so I got the glow, and I like it. Look. This one, compared to the matte, does feel like sunscreen when I'm applying it, but it doesn't dry gross since it's tinted, so. And it like feels very refreshing. Let me rub this in. Look at the glow. It's almost like putting on foundation in a way without putting on foundation. This is also why I don't wear makeup. This basically covers up some of my redness. Not all of it, but some of it. So it works just as good. I am rushing to get ready. I am late. I told you, Saturdays, I don't always have plans in the morning, but today I do. My nose area is the one that like has all this stuff. Yes, I'm still keeping my pimple patches on. I do not care to wear them out in public. I've done it so many times. Whatever, gotta take care of my skin. That's priority for me. Geez, on camera it looks like I'm really glowing. It's not this drastic. Let me show you my outfit. All right, my top is from Gap. Jeans are from American Eagle, and they have rips in them, but they have the patches, so I like that. So I'm late, but I'm getting brunch with my friend Sienna, so let's go. I decided to bring a jacket because it might be a little cold. Favorite song. All right, let's go. Okay guys, I'm back. I got a little gift for my dad because tomorrow is Father's Day. So I got over a pound worth of chocolate. The chocolate is from this local chocolate shop. I don't know if that's the right way to say it. It's all dark chocolate. Dark chocolate, I think, and my family thinks, tastes the best. Now I'm gonna go home and probably just clean my room and just get a few things done. But see, my friend Sienna was nice. We caught up.
Hot tub or anything.
That was rude. I'm gonna go home now and get some stuff done. But my pimple patch, look at it, all full right now, so I'm gonna go home and change it again. My desk is not doing so hot. My bed is the only one that's somewhat decent. My dresser is struggling. It's been like that since I moved back home. And there's like a bra pad from one of my sports bras on the floor. And shopping bags. See, I need to be careful placing my camera down because I don't want it to fall again. By the way, I don't know when this video is going to go out, but I have a Logitech Pro case review for my iPad Pro. I got a new case and I figured I would show you my initial reaction to it, but I really do like this case. It's so heavy duty and the keyboard is great and it's good. So if that video is not up by now, it will be soon. I pre-filmed a lot of my videos, so just bear with me, please. Okay, now Not perfect, but better. Oh, this is definitely not valid anymore. June 15th. This one's done too. Guess I'll keep this. Do you remember these erasers? It's a little dolphin. Alright, this is not my favorite, but it'll do for now. At least, like, I have all this clear space, and these buttons, I don't know where they go. That was my weekend morning routine. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it relatable. Don't forget to check out Duvolle and click the link in my bio. Use the code DannyMO for 70% off your first purchase. The brush has been awesome. I really like it. I feel like my skin is very smooth. I've been using the exfoliant brush, and I really am enjoying it. So definitely check it out. Comment down below what time you normally wake up on the weekend. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!